Meanwhile, the Air Force deployed unmanned aircraft or drones for aerial monitoring on areas hit by landslide in PASIRLANGU village, CISARUA sub-district of West Bandung Regency.
The drone is operated by the Air Force Central Geospatial Unit to support search and evacuation efforts for victims. The results of the aerial monitoring are used as supporting data for local government and related agencies in SAR operations and emergency handling at the disaster site. With the use of the drone, monitoring can be carried out quickly and accurately, especially in high-risk areas for field personnel. Aerial images from the drone are also used to identify residential condition, affected infrastructure, and safe evacuation routes. As of now, the Avia hybrid drone is still being operated at the disaster site to support the search and rescue process for landslide victims.